In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Wix. Whether you're updating some information, tweaking a design, or just polishing your content, editing text in Wix is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Wix. Go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your site dashboard. This is the command center for all your website needs, where you can manage everything from your site's design to its settings. For our purposes today, we'll focus on editing the text by clicking the Edit Site button. This will lead you into the Wix editor, which is a powerful tool that makes customizing your website a breeze. Now that you're in the Wix editor, you might notice your site's design laid out in front of you. Look for the text box that you want to edit. To find it, simply hover your mouse over the area with the text until you see a blue highlight appear around it. This blue highlight indicates that you've selected the right area. Once highlighted, click on the text box, and you'll see an option appear that says Edit Text. Go ahead and click on this option. A text editing menu should now appear, giving you a range of options to custom tailor the text to suit your needs. Here, you can change the font, size, color, and even add special effects if you like. Now, it's time to make your changes. Whether you're correcting a typo, rewriting a sentence, or changing the style of your text, this is your moment to get creative. As you type, you'll see the changes reflected instantly on your site, allowing you to visualize exactly how your words will look once published. After making your edits, remember that saving your work is crucial. Wix provides a convenient Save button for just this purpose. By saving your changes, you ensure that nothing gets lost, and all your hard work stays intact. Just on the upper right corner of your screen, click the Save button, and your edits will be secured. Finally, to make your changes live on the web for everyone to see, you'll need to hit Publish. This transforms your behind-the-scenes effort into a live update available on your site. Once published, visit your site to ensure everything appears just as you envisioned. And that's it. Editing text in Wix is truly that simple. Now, you can keep your website up to date with fresh content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give your site a final once-over to make sure everything looks perfect.